Gujarat Anti-Terrorist Squad and the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence have seized heroin worth rupees 450 crore in a joint operation. Nearly 90 kg of heroin was recovered from a shipping container that arrived at the Pipavav port in Amreli district from Iran, the state DGP said on Friday. The drug syndicate used a new trick where threads were soaked in a solution containing heroin, which were later dried and packed in bags and then exported. In a release, the DRI said that these bags having heroin-soaked threads were shipped along with other bags having bales of normal threads to avoid detection by the authorities. Examination and seizure proceedings by the DRI under the provisions of the NDPS Act 1985 are underway. Previously, 205 kg of heroin was seized from Kandla port in Gujarat in a drug haul on 25th April. The Ministry of Power released a statement on Friday and informed that amid a severe heatwave spell across India, the peak power demand in the country has reached an all-time high of 207,111 megawatt. This comes amid the reports of the power crisis in many states across the country during the extreme heat wave. Amid the rising demand for power, different parts of the country are facing power cuts. The problem has been accentuated by a steep rise in the prices of imported coal due to the Russia-Ukraine conflict and some power plants not operating to their full capacity. Power outages have been reported in Jharkhand, Haryana, Bihar, Punjab, Maharashtra and other states as well. Meanwhile, Indian Railways has decided to cancel 657 train trips to speed up the movement of coal rakes to power plants. As many as 509 mail or express train and many train services have been cancelled. A week after Akshay Kumar apologized for having featured in an advertisement for a Pan Masala brand, Kannada star Yash has refused a multi-crore endorsement deal for a Pan Masala and cardamom brand. The agency that manages endorsement deals for Yash, Exceed Entertainment, has confirmed the news. Arjun Banerjee, head of the talent management agency that manages Yash's endorsements, said in a press statement that they are going to be extremely mindful on who to associate with. He further stated that given Yash's pan-India appeal, they want to use this opportunity to give the right kind of message to his fans and followers and invest time and sweat with brands which have a conscience, are like-minded and want to play the long game just like the actor himself. The news comes just days after Akshay Kumar announced his disassociation with the Pan Masala brand soon after featuring in an advertisement for the brand along with Ajay Devgan and Shah Rukh Khan. A fearsome fighter pilot, rumored to have shot down more than 40 Russian planes, has lost his life defending Ukraine, according to local reports. Major Stepan Tarabalka, also apparently known as the Ghost of Kiev, lost his life when the MiG-29 he was flying was shot down while battling overwhelming enemy forces. The 29-year-old became a cult figure at the beginning of the war and is said to have shot down 6 Russian aircrafts on the day the invasion began, and his total reached over 40 by the time of his death. Major Tarabalka shot to fame after the Ukrainian government shared a video on Twitter showing the artist's impression of the pilot. Today, the Punjab government took strict action against the state police a day after Patiala witnessed clashes between the two groups during an anti-Khalistan march that left 4 people injured. The government removed 3 top officers from their post over their failure to control the violence in the district. A curfew that was imposed in the city at 7 p.m. yesterday was lifted at 6 a.m. today, but officials said that mobile internet and SMS services were blocked in the city. The state government said that all the mobile internet and SMS services except voice calls will remain suspended in the district from 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. According to ANI, Patiala Deputy Commissioner said that the decision was taken by the government to prevent rumor mongering. Yesterday, clashes broke out outside the Kali Mata temple when members of an outfit that calls itself Shiv Sena Bal Thackeray began a Khalistan Murdabad march. Members of the two groups also waved swords and threw stones at each other.